Great day, teachers. Or should I call you heroes? Yes, from now on, I will call you heroes because I believe that all of us teachers are living heroes. Salute to every teacher out there, and thank you for making difference in the life of our learners. Welcome back to my channel. This is your Speducator companion, Teacher Mar, and if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing and ringing the bell button so you will be notified to our new video upload. Today, I am really excited to share with all of you a great online professional development platform that is based and funded by United States Department of Education Office of Special Education Programs. Platform develops and disseminates engaging online resources about evidence-based instructional and behavioral practices to support the education of all students. Take note, it is legit and absolutely free of charge. So if you are interested in this content, make sure to finish this video. Before we start, let me just shout out these three amazing heroes, namely Teacher Christina Nug, MA Vids, and Teacher Dian. I will do shout out on my next video to the first three person who will comment down below. So without any further ado, let's get started and go to my computer screen. First, open your browser. Any browser will do. And then let's go to Google. Type Google. On the search bar, type Iris Peabody. Click this website, and I'm gonna put the link in the description box. So this is their homepage. These are some of their featured resources for parents, for college and university faculty, new resource, IEPs for administrators, new resource for IEPs. So on the upper right corner, you will see there are different tabs: resources, PD options, articles and reports, about, and help. So let's create an account. Go to PD options and then choose log into your Iris PD. Here in register, fill out this information: your email and chosen password. Click register. You have to answer this survey question. Choose I am a teacher. Where do you teach? Public, private? And then click submit. There you have it. You have your account. Now let's go to the module. choose PD options, and then choose PD certificates for teachers. So these are the 4 easy steps. Take pretest, work module, take post-test, and get your certificate. To start, on the upper left side, choose available modules. There are tons of topics you can choose from. To get started with module, choose the module that you want, and then click Add to Cart. Proceed to checkout. Fill out this information, your first name, and your email address. Add to my account. Click Add to my account. And then take note that you only have 90 days to finish the module. To start, click the modules and take the pretest. The course outline is also provided here. To motivate you, let me just show you the certificate that I got from this platform. I already finished this module entitled Accommodation, Instructional, and Testing Supports for Students with Disabilities. To get your certificate, click here. So this is how it looks like. You can see the full details including your name, date, the title of the module, and the module objectives. I think it took me around 2 to 3 days to finish the module, but you can be finished in one sit as well. You can have a copy in PDF form here, and you can print your certificate here. That's pretty much it, heroes. Thank you for staying with me until the end of this video. If you find this video helpful, will you please share it with your friends that might need this as well? Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell button. Thank you and see you on my next video.